Hey, Taiwa, can you buy me food? I thought you went to the restaurant with Mom. I got kicked out. Anaya. But it wasn't my fault. What happened? The waiter brought me the wrong order. What did you order? Chicken tenders. How can someone mess up chicken? Tossed in buffalo honey with the spicy peanut dipping sauce. Oh. He gave me ranch instead. I see. So I politely asked him to go get my spicy peanut dipping sauce. And what did he say? He said they didn't make that, so I handed him the recipe. So why did you get kicked out? This lady at the other table told my mom I was being ridiculous. She should have minded her own business. I know, right? So what happened next? She called me a Karen. Let me guess. So you yelled at her and got kicked out? No, I just walked out of the restaurant. Oh, okay. Well, that's very mature. After I threw my chicken in her face and broke the plate on her head.